Want to trim your photo and get the perfect crop? Here's how to do it on Befunky. First, open your image in the Befunky editor. In the toolbar on the left, select the crop tool. A grid overlay will appear on your photo. Drag the corners of the grid to adjust the area you want to keep in your image. You can also manually adjust aspect ratio by clicking on the lock icon next to the dimensions for more flexibility. Once you are happy with the selection, hit apply to crop the image. If you want to maintain a specific aspect ratio like 16:9 or 4:3, select it from the preset options. How do you usually crop your photos? Freeform or a specific ratio? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.